Congress MP Rahul Gandhi launches all-out attack on BJP as he opened debate on the no-confidence motion. Rahul Gandhi says Narendra Modi government has murdered India in Manipur. Congress leader Okrami Bobi emphasizes significance of engaging in dialogue as primary means to bring peace and preserve territorial integrity of Manipur. Naga people take out rally for resolving Indo-Naga political issue based on framework agreement under the banner of United Naga Council in Naga inhabited areas of Manipur. And Professor of Rim Psychiatry Department Dr. R.K. Lenin expresses concern about potential impact of ongoing violent crisis in Manipur on displaced children. Hello and welcome to Impact News. You're watching Primetime English Bulletin. I'm USHAM bringing you the top stories and latest news at this hour. Congress MP Rahul Gandhi launched an all-out attack on the BJP as he opened the debate on the no-confidence motion brought by the opposition alliance India against the BJP-led government today. Addressing the lower house, Rahul Gandhi said Narendra Modi government has murdered India in Manipur. The Congress leader, in his first speech after being reinstated as the Lok Sabha MP, launched a scathing attack on the BJP government for its handling of the Manipur crisis and said the government divided the northeastern state into two parts. Rahul Gandhi accused the centre of murdering Bharat Mata in Manipur and termed members of the ruling party traitors. Amid loud uproar from the treasury benches, Rahul Gandhi said, quote-unquote, I use the word Manipur, but the truth is that Manipur does not remain anymore. You have divided Manipur into two. You have divided and broken Manipur. For PM Modi, Manipur is not India. You have murdered the voice of India, which means you have murdered Bharat Mata in Manipur. My mother is sitting here. The other mother, Bharat Mata, you killed in Manipur, he said, pointing to Sonia Gandhi, who was present in the house. Rahul Gandhi questioned why the government was not utilizing the Indian armed forces in Manipur. He also slammed Prime Minister Narendra Modi for not visiting Manipur. He said, PM doesn't visit Manipur because India has been murdered there. Union Minister Smriti Irani countered Rahul Gandhi's remarks and said, Manipur is not divided, it is a part of India. She came down heavily on Congress leader Rahul Gandhi for his murder of India in Manipur remark in the Lok Sabha today, saying this is for the first time in parliamentary democracy that someone has made such a statement. She said Parliamentary Affairs Minister Prahlad Joshi, Union Home Minister Amit Shah and Defence Minister Rajnath Singh repeatedly said that the government is ready to debate on the Manipur issue. The opposition ran away from it. We did not.
मैं एक महिला मेरे सामने आती है, मैं उससे पूछता हूं क्या हुआ तुम्हारे साथ। जैसे ही मैंने उससे सवाल पूछा तुम्हारे साथ क्या हुआ, वैसे ही एक सेकंड में वो कांपने लगी। उसने अपने दिमाग में वो दृश्य देखा और वो बेहोश हो गई। मेरे सामने कांपती हुई बेहोश हो गई। तो ये मैंने आपको सिर्फ दो उदाहरण दिए हैं। स्पीकर सर, इन्होंने मणिपुर में हिंदुस्तान की हत्या की है। सिर्फ मणिपुर की नहीं, हिंदुस्तान की हत्या की है। मणिपुर को नहीं, हिंदुस्तान को मणिपुर में मारा है। मैं मणिपुर में अपनी मां की हत्या की बात कर रहा हूं। मैं आदर से बोल रहा हूं, आपने मेरी मां की हत्या की मणिपुर में। एक मेरी मां यहां बैठी है, दूसरी मां को आपने मणिपुर में मारा है। और हर रोज जब तक आप हिंसा को बंद नहीं करोगे तब तक आप मेरी मां की हत्या कर रहे हो। हिंदुस्तान की सेना मणिपुर में एक दिन में शांति ला सकती है। हिंदुस्तान की सेना का प्रयोग नहीं कर रहे हो क्योंकि आप हिंदुस्तान को मणिपुर में मारना चाहते हो।
Congress leader Okrami Bobby emphasized the significance of engaging in dialogue as the primary means to bring peace to the violence-affected state of Manipur while also ensuring the preservation of the state's territorial integrity. He was speaking at the commemoration event of the 81st anniversary of the Quit India movement organized by Manipur Pradesh Congress Committee at Congress Bhavan in Imphal today. Okrami Bobby and MPCC President K. Megachandra led Congress workers in paying homage by offering floral tributes to the photographs of Indian freedom fighters. Attendees led by K. Megachandra took a pledge to work towards a united and strong India. Subsequently, Megachandra, accompanied by Congress youth leaders, raised the Congress flag and collectively took an oath to uphold India's integrity. Speaking on the sidelines of the event, Okrami Bobby highlighted that the observance was held to honor the significant contributions made by iconic figures such as Mahatma Gandhi, Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, Sarojini Naidu, Subhash Chandra Bose, Jawaharlal Nehru and others in the journey to India's independence.
ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯊꯥꯖꯕꯗꯤ ꯁꯥꯟꯇꯤ ꯄꯨꯔꯛꯅꯕ ꯍꯣꯠꯅꯕꯗ ꯂꯝꯕꯤ ꯀꯌꯥ ꯑꯃ ꯂꯩꯒꯅꯤ ꯃꯌꯥꯝ ꯍꯥꯟꯅꯗꯩ ꯈꯪꯕꯤꯔꯦ ꯃꯅꯤꯄꯨꯔꯒꯤ ꯇꯦꯔꯤꯇꯣꯔꯤꯌꯦꯜ ꯏꯟꯇꯤꯒ꯭ꯔꯤꯇꯤꯁꯤꯗꯤ ꯑꯟꯗꯔ ꯑꯦꯅꯤ ꯁꯔꯀꯝꯁꯇꯦꯟꯁꯦꯁ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯃꯁꯤꯗꯤ ꯀꯝꯄ꯭ꯔꯣꯃꯥꯏꯖ ꯇꯧꯕ ꯌꯥꯔꯣꯏ ꯃꯁꯤ ꯀꯝꯄ꯭ꯔꯣꯃꯥꯏꯖ ꯇꯧꯗꯅ ꯀꯔꯤ ꯂꯝꯕꯤ ꯁꯥꯟꯇꯤꯒꯤ ꯀꯔꯤ ꯂꯝꯕꯤ ꯂꯩꯒꯗꯒꯦꯗꯣ ꯁꯨꯡꯁꯣꯏ ꯁꯣꯏꯗꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯂꯝꯕꯤ ꯂꯩꯒꯅꯤ ꯃꯗꯨꯒꯤ ꯂꯝꯕꯤꯗꯣ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯐꯝꯃꯤꯟꯅꯔꯒ ꯄꯨꯊꯣꯛꯑꯒ ꯑꯦꯅꯤ ꯄ꯭ꯔꯣꯕ꯭ꯂꯦꯝꯁꯤ ꯚꯥꯏꯑꯣꯂꯦꯟꯁ ꯌꯥꯎꯗꯅ ꯁꯣꯜꯕ ꯇꯧꯕ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯁꯦ ꯃꯁꯤ ꯉꯥꯛꯇꯅꯤ ꯂꯩꯔꯤꯕ ꯃꯌꯥꯝ ꯄꯨꯝꯅꯃꯛꯁꯦ ꯑꯗꯨꯅ ꯉꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯃꯅꯤꯄꯨꯔꯒꯤ ꯇꯪꯗꯨ ꯂꯩꯇꯥꯗ꯭ꯔꯕ ꯐꯤꯕꯝꯁꯦ ꯃꯁꯤꯒ ꯉꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯀ꯭ꯋꯤꯠ ꯏꯟꯗꯤꯌꯥꯒꯤ 34ꯔꯛ ꯁꯨꯕ ꯀ꯭ꯋꯤꯠ ꯏꯟꯗꯤꯌꯥ ꯃꯨꯚꯃꯦꯟꯠꯁꯤꯒ ꯌꯥꯝꯅ ꯔꯤꯂꯦꯚꯦꯟꯠ ꯑꯣꯏꯕ ꯍꯥꯏꯕ ꯇꯥꯔꯦ.
Responding to media queries, Okrami Bobby emphasized the urgent need for the Manipur government to convene an emergency assembly session. He called for the assembly to pass a resolution addressing the current state issue and subsequently present the resolution during the ongoing parliament session. He underscored that it is the responsibility of the government to ensure the presence of all Manipur MLAs at the assembly session. The former chief minister also emphasized the importance of direct dialogue between central leaders and state MLAs. He suggested that meaningful talks and cooperation between these parties are crucial to effectively resolve the ongoing crisis. Commenting on the demand made by BJP Manipur Pradesh to the Prime Minister regarding the withdrawal of Assam Rifles from the state, Okrami Bobby noted that if the state government had prior knowledge that Assam Rifles was exhibiting one-sidedness and bias, they should have informed the Prime Minister and Union Home Minister much earlier. He commented that addressing this matter through a letter to the Prime Minister after 3 months makes no sense. On a different note, MPCC President K. Megachandra appreciated Congress leaders for their initiative to discuss the turmoil in Manipur during the ongoing parliamentary proceedings.
Masing shudragadi phajadaba haibududi, that is not our outlook. Government singadawni masing shunana ba singadawni abadudi. Karigino la oidoi maramsi karigino karitaure haibisidi. State government maruina center na hujik laiba India government, particularly Honorable Prime Minister of India na karino noi khanari si karigino haibado mohoina kauraga phaminaraga karino kari piandabal lai state government noi kari piandabal lai kari tauriba no kamdawno no sidi yaroi haina government India gi commitment with determination masi solve tawdaba yade haiba wakhandu lairagadi aidi masidi thodokna ilugani haiba thajajadamni.
COCOMI coordinator Jitendra Ningomba emphasized the importance of collective effort in maintaining the integrity of Manipur. He drew a historical parallel recalling the 7 years devastation and British invasion in Manipur, which were consequences of disunity among the people. Jitendra Ningomba made these remarks during the observance of the International Day of the World's Indigenous People 2023 held under the theme Indigenous Youth as Agents of Change for Self-Determination. Student wing of COCOMI organized the event at Apunba Ireipaki Maheroi Singpanglup head office in Kwaketil today. Manipur Human Rights Commission former chairperson Khaidem Mani, Dr. Sapam Dilip Kumar, assistant professor of the Department of Law at Manipur University, and environmental activist Wangkhairakpam Ram graced the event. Addressing the gathering, Desam President Lechangtem Lamyanba highlighted the ongoing conflict initiated by narco-terrorists, stating that it poses a threat to all the indigenous communities in Manipur. He expressed concern that if the Meiteis did not stand up against the narco-terrorists, it could have led to the potential wiping out of the remaining communities in Manipur.
Maidisina apabulo may baraga kono do nola dar kuni duga haribulo may may atopo lebak di kuni may made por kuni harigari Trinamool Congress ki adu mulai di ba sakuto roy ko bunu padu akhoi ni kari to bunto ki Manipur miam masi yam na maru wale adu na ko ko mi ki mai kai di yam strongly condemn to adu marang ba wafum mayam putoga ko gi parliament ta tambodo 7-year devastation sei tare khundakwa Anglo Manipur war 1891 Maduda thokiba lan adusu aikoi masel gi marakta masel gi marakta wakal manadaba unity o jabna thokibani 2023 suraba taza asidasu aikoi masel gi marakta unity o daba akoi maithi gi bi poto masisu oi bia bi phibum lai masi de gi koi polna section mine se haiba potu ne duna lai bai koi sata mairu si mayam seksina lai bo aikoi na ngasi khali wakal si ai gi lai mine gi batna bo mayam singda sandu mathok tai.
Integrated Meitei Alliance IMA reassures people of the state that there is no need to worry about the demand for separate administration by the Kuki community. The IMA emphasized that such a demand is impossible under the Constitution of India. This standpoint was highlighted today during the release of a 14-page document titled Manipur's Declaration of Rights 2023, which outlines rights provided under the Indian Constitution. Speaking at the event held at IMA Banquet Hall in Kashampat, convener of the alliance A. Birendra said the central government cannot forcefully fulfill the separate administration demand of the Kukis, as doing so would violate constitutional norms and potentially impact the Manipur merger agreement. He said the Prime Minister, President, Manipur Chief Minister, Governor and opposition figures have been informed about the newly released declaration by the IMA. Birendra highlighted that as per Article 3 of the Constitution, no community can establish a separate government or administration in Manipur, which has been in existence for the past 3,000 years. During the release event, resolutions were adopted to demand amendments to Article 371C to urge Governor and State Security Advisor to take concrete action against Kuki militants targeting civilians, to take action against central forces, and to demand deployment of central forces in the state who can combat Kuki militants.
Nasi separate administration gidamak Kuki sina demand taw liba asida Manipur gi miyamna yamna langtakna ba phaunari maramdi karimada masi napu safuda centerna masi kerma pithokragadi aikoi kari uhuwa haibigi aman nungnangna duna laiba sigi maramda miyamda masi gi maramda karimata khoi nungnangai maram leite sida aikoi karimta waningai leite maramdi bharu ke samvidhan Manipur se atopa khudaminari ba Manipur da leriba furup khudim una furup amatana separate administration natari separate state ta mamatamda masi kaidongeda oithokpa sunga yaroidaba bharat ki samvidhan masi lona masi ngak leiraba bharat ki constitution masi protect tawtuna leiraba pot amani habasi Manipur miyamda amasung aikoi gi India gi aikoi gi mipum khudumukta masi puna declare to the pam jabagi damak ngasi Manipur's Declaration of Rights 2023 si puna thawang jabani Kuki na ngasi separate administration gi damak taliba demand nasi masi kaidongeda oithokpa yaroidaba demand amani masi gi mayokta karimba India ki lona India ki constitution na protect torga leriba podes da thugairaga karimba separate administration piba targedi India masana masagi constitution right asi thugai jabga sab managaduni maduna amu effect torgadu se mazai agreement da fawda effect torgadu ribani.
Naga People's Rally for Resolving Indo-Naga Political Issue based on Framework Agreement under the banner of United Naga Council was carried out in Naga inhabited areas of Manipur today. At the rallies, participants submitted memorandum to Prime Minister Narendra Modi through their respective deputy commissioners. The memorandum presses firstly translation of the framework agreement which was signed between the government of India and the NSC and IM 8 years ago in New Delhi into political reality for enduring peace, which included demand for Naga national flag and constitution, and secondly that Naga areas should not be touched while attempting to address demands of any other community. The second point comes at the backdrop of the demand for a separate administration by a certain community in Manipur. In Senapati district, Naga People's Organization NPO kicked off the rally at 10 a.m. from Senapati district headquarters traffic point till Senapati ADC office and back to the traffic point. The UNC's rally was also held in Ukhrul town, Ukhrul district. The peace rally started at 10 a.m. from Hungpung Dungrei Junction and Hunpung Mission Ground, Alungtang from two opposite directions and gathered at Tangkhul Katamnao Long TKS office located opposite to Ukhrul Mini Secretariat. Participants held banners and placards which read 7 decades old Naga political movement deserves honorable solution. Solution to the Indo-Naga issue lies in the political will of the Government of India in upholding the framework agreement for honorable and acceptable settlement, and 26 years of negotiation with 7 Prime Minister is enough.
People from 4 Naga Hill district, we have been organizing a peace rally in support and in demand of the Indo-Naga final solution, and also trying to voice to the Delhi government so that they heard our demand and our voice. So that is why in all the 4 districts in Manipur, Ukhrul, Tamenglong, Chandel, Senapati, the United Naga Council have organized, and the district organization have been hosting this rally under the aegis of the United Naga Council.
Naga People's Rally for resolving Indo-Naga political issue based on framework agreement was also held in Chandel district today. Over 10,000 people belonging to 11 Naga tribes took part in the rally, which was jointly organized by Chandel Naga People's Organization, Naga Students Union Chandel and Naga Women's Union Chandel. The rally started from Maha Union Higher Secondary ground and culminated at Chandel DC complex. Later, representatives of Chandel Naga People's Organization, Naga Students Union Chandel and Naga Women's Union Chandel submitted a memorandum to Prime Minister Narendra Modi through Chandel DC. Nagas of Tamenglong district also took part in the rally for resolving Indo-Naga political issue based on framework agreement today. The rally started from Haipao Jadunang Park in Tamenglong till Apollo Ground. Professor of RIM Psychiatry Department Dr. R.K. Lenin expresses concern about the potential impact of the ongoing violent crisis in Manipur on displaced children. He stressed the need to address the mental well-being of these children who desire to take up guns, as this could have far-reaching negative consequences for both society and the future of Manipur. Dr. R.K. Lenin was speaking on the sidelines of a workshop held on the topic Approach to Child and Adolescent During Conflict Situation, organized by RIM Psychiatry Department at Dr. Kamal Hall of RIMS today. Professor Lenin highlighted that the current crisis has not only affected the elderly population, but has also created a sense of uncertainty among children and women. Dr. Lenin expressed particular concern for children who are still in their formative stages, as their minds are impressionable and susceptible to molding or influence. He noted that displaced children are facing desperate situations without access to education and normal childhood due to the ongoing crisis. He informed that a team of RIM Psychiatry Department has been actively engaging with children in relief camps through interactive sessions. Dr. Lenin said the department is collaborating with experts like Dr. Shekhar Sheshadri, who has experience in dealing with conflict situations. He said that a team of psychiatrists, social workers and volunteers are working together to provide the best possible treatment and support to the affected children in relief camps.
masagi yumda lejaba phangdaba aduga mayumaktada refugee gi mawong da leibasida mapungning da aduki matik awaba phawba nuai tabuduna kari tawge bu lai su tamgani sports ki sanabagi jagoi gi tawgani haiba kauthoktana nongmai piro akoi nongmai khapke haigalakpa masi yamna dangerous oiba yamna hostile oiba akoi gi miyobagi wakhalda magi chahi ga chanadana phawba aduguma emotion amani masi akoina encourage tawbadi superficial oina masi phaba malaga su tungkoina akoina yengbada makoi gi tungi personality da aduga tungda makoina contribute tawgadoriba thawdang sti yamna chawbani akoi gi lan haiba sti akoi पुनमंगना चंगबा याब नते मसिदि लानमिगी मथौनी अखोइना तौगदबा इथौदा पुनिंग चंगागा मसा मसान मटिक साबा ओइरकांदा इरमदमगी सेवा तौबा दरकार ओइ हाइबसे अखोइना अंगांगसिंगदा खरगी मखैदि ममाइ चुमहौतबा तारगदि मतम चादना केनखिबा लैरांग ओइना पोमदा ngairiङैदा सालहौदना केनखिबा लै अपोमबो ओइना मांखिगद्रा हाइबगी चिंगनजबा फाउजै
Speaking to media, RIMS Director Professor G. Sunil Kumar Sharma explained that the purpose of the workshop was to address the mental health needs of children between the age of 10 to 18 who have been affected by the ongoing violent clashes. He said that the workshop aimed to facilitate discussions and knowledge sharing among doctors, health workers and volunteers to enhance the delivery of healthcare services for better mental health care outcomes. Professor Sunil Kumar said teams from RIMS Psychiatry Department are visiting relief camps on weekends to offer necessary medical support. He added that the hospital is providing free treatment and medication to individuals impacted by the violence irrespective of their community affiliation. Renowned child psychiatrist Dr. Shekhar Sheshadri, who previously headed the Child Psychiatry Department at NIMHANS, that is National Institute of Mental Health and Neurosciences, attended the workshop as a resource person.
Conflict zone the labor wigi adolescent young age hai tare chahi tara dagi crime pound bhogi leiriba victim mayam sida karamna khoina deal taw gudagi habise ahan di phare but angang sing sida kyamna conflict sina solli habisi gi matang nei naraga adugi kari step lobo yagi habado khogi pibi ne na laiba khogi mapan dagi lakbiba khogi yamna maru ba veteran ngatani moina piba guidance ki matungi na khoina mu kem sida chalaga makha chatha jaga da ban thang jagi namai jengi shuti da khogi child psychologist puraga psychiatrist ki team chalaga moigi amna maroi ba thabak chathare amani sida casualty da waraga su asok ko loina ba khoi free the loin treatment tawjari ek lakh bangai without any discrimination aduna loina free treatment free medicine investigation loin tawjari matang sida ayaba mateng loin tawjari.
Council of Teachers Association Kota Manipur has pledged its support and assistance to students whose education has been disrupted due to the ongoing violence in the state. Speaking to media at Manipur Press Club today, Kota convener Khwairakpam Jibon stated that the association's representatives met with Governor Anusuya Uike to discuss the situation and proposed measures to ensure education continuity. He said Kota has informed the governor about the challenges faced by 28 schools that are currently being used as relief camps. With classes for students in grades 9 to 12 scheduled to resume on August 10, Kota requested the governor's intervention to facilitate education in these schools and also urged the governor to arrange alternative shelters for the people currently residing in schools to prevent disruption to the educational process. He said the governor responded positively and issued instructions to relevant officials to ensure that classes are conducted in all the schools. Kota also condemned the incident of kidnapping 2 students.
Generation asigi pillars oirakadra sata singbu manganba asigba heinous crime asi tonbegeno haidna request of matamda governor highway madudi asigba crime asi matungda thondra ba lahot pajaba measure makai aikoi lakhole aduga matung desu ke mara leibasing adusu faraga book tawgani haidna mangna phongdok pirai
akoi site gi su angamba relief camp sida chalaga akoi angamba khara mayam pangul tang akoi su khara sata sati sing sida akoi tawjagani primary dagi na secondary thak phugdum tambiri bo oja sing sina angang sing asibu sata sati sing su ai gi cha mangni amasung koi tungi future ni khanbi baga loina makoi angamba thak ta mateng pangsin biduna makoi punsi semada thawdang lomina si.
The final rites for Morangtem Devan and Toijam Tomba, who had gone missing after being allegedly abducted by armed individuals from the Kuki community on May 14, were conducted today at Sekmai, Paraulaikai. The two youths from Awang Sekmai had left their homes to repair a vehicle. 2 days later, on May 16, their family members were informed that they had been captured by Kuki people in the Tar Hazare area of Kangpokpi district. The families had subsequently filed an FIR with the police, but unfortunately the authorities were unable to locate any information regarding their whereabouts. In response to the lack of progress and growing frustration, the families, along with local Merapaibi women and members of local club, decided to hold the last rites for the missing youths using dummy bodies made from locally sourced wood called pangong. Speaking on the sidelines of the ceremony, Secretary of PYDO Club Ahong Sangbam Asok Kumar expressed his dissatisfaction with both the central and state governments. He questioned when the ongoing violence in the state would come to an end. Additionally, he criticized the police for not treating the case with the seriousness it deserves and for failing to locate the two missing youths.
Hojik lotion baga naibsu naide India government amadi Manipur government na masi lotion ge habsu khande Manipuri akoi se loi tumna ba hatu oge khal libra khangde sipai sing ju nongma kangna sum thajalai ba sipai sina normal noina akoi ge nutrient noina nga aboi di phai Assam rifle su Manipur da ge hongtok pi gro chalan bi gro atopa akoi Manipur ge leiba state sing sina konana ba state forces konana ba silo haining.
A joint operation involving the Manipur police and security forces has been conducted in the areas of Kaithel Manbi and Aitu Kuki village of Kangpokpi district. Acting on a tip-off, the combined team, which included personnel from Imphal West District Police Commando, Patsoi Police Station, New Kaithel Manbi Police Station and the 33rd Assam Rifles from Kaithel Manbi 9 sector, carried out the operation around 11:30 am yesterday. Several items were recovered from Aitu Kuki village, including 5 single-bore rifles, 5 country-made weapons, modified GI pipe, 36 live rounds of single-bore ammunition, a walkie-talkie along with its charger and 8 mobile phones. The recovered weapons were subsequently handed over to the Kaithel Manbi police station. Now it's time for a small commercial break. After the break, we bring you news on Takdo and Thangwaiban BJP members led by Thangwaiban MLA Khomukcham Joy Kishan coming together in adopting a displaced family from Churachandpur. Keep watching Impact News.
Join Graphic Era deemed to be University Dehradun, ranked 55th university in India by NIRF 2023 and placed in rank band of 300 to 400 engineering institutions in the world by Times Higher Education, Washington, D.C. Exceptional placement records, Graphic Era, transforming dreams into reality.
Manipur Institute of Aviation and Hospitality, Changangai Airport Road. Admission open for commercial pilot training, air hostess training, airport operations and airline management, diploma in hotel management, bachelor in vocational in hotel management, with exclusive on-campus interview, placement assistance cell, and scholarship facilities. More than 150 placement in last few months at reputed airlines and hotel industry. For more details, please contact Manipur Institute of Aviation and Hospitality.
Avail the most scientific non-surgical treatment of piles through the power of light (IRC) and free OPD consultation with specialists during free piles detection camp from 1st to 10th August 2023. For appointment, please contact Season Hospitals.
Unique NEET Academy की फाउंडेशन कोर्स NEET UC 2024 के एडमिशन हौसरे लास्ट डेट ऑफ रजिस्ट्रेशन न जुलाई 23 ता ओइजबगा लोइनना क्लास न जुलाई 29 दगी हौजरगनी फ्री सिप अवेलेबल स्कोरिंग for 50 plus in NEET 2022 to 23 general and OBC scoring 400 plus in NEET 22 to 23 ST scoring 350 plus in NEET 2022 to 23 ST meritorious students in board exam 2022-23 ngasi malangsin piro Unique NEET Academy.
Nagamapal Rims Road Junction da laiba Luminance Skin Clinic na sammamadi skin gi advanced and latest technology treatment gi khudong chaba kaya pizari. Clinic asida ayuk pung 3 makhai dagi nungthil pung 5 makhai fawba dermatologist consult tawbugi khudong chaba su laigani. For more details please contact 9863882960.
Caesar Mega Free IOPD Camp from 7 to 31st August 2023, excluding Sundays, from 8 a.m. to 1 p.m. Also, avail 15% discount on diagnostic and procedures. CMCY and CMISD card holders may also avail the facilities. For appointment, please contact Caesar Eye Care Foundation or call 943-623-5274.
Welcome back after the break. You're watching Primetime English Bulletin. Tagdo and Thangwaiban BJP members led by Thangwaiban MLA Khumukcham Joy Kishan have come together to announce the adoption of Khoisnam Binashaki and her family. The family had been displaced from Churachandpur Tuibong Maitei Lekai due to the ongoing crisis in the state. The initiative aims to provide support to the displaced family until the prevailing situation in the state is resolved. Thangwaiban MLA Khumukcham Joy Kishan has appealed to well-off families to consider adopting at least one displaced family to assist them during these challenging times. Khoisnam Binasaki, a 54-year-old woman, was undergoing kidney treatment in Guwahati, had her household completely destroyed during the violence that erupted in Churachandpur on May 3. Her son, Kumam Ramidranath, shared that shortly after their arrival in Guwahati, violence broke out, resulting in the destruction of all their belongings. The family expressed gratitude for the assistance they received from Maitei residents in Guwahati and other parts of Assam, who supported them for over 3 months. They have since returned to Imphal, where Binasaki was admitted to Jenims Hospital under the care of Jenims director. Rabindranath also expressed appreciation for the assurance of assistance provided by MLA Joy Kishan.
Thangwaiban Honorable MLA Sir Joy Kishan manakta ekhoi se mu chacharubani sir nasu matamda yamna thong launa hangbidana ekhoi noi gidamukta leiribani han haibirakna anabasina hek phatri bhoda sarna yengbigani han haibirak se ekhoi di asuki matik sar bu thagat sei miyang mihut se thagat piraiba Thangwaiban praja su asuki matik gyan taba praja ni asuki matik hoba achangba praja ngakta leiba Thangwaiban kendra ne han nasu ani haijaningi politicians sing sinasu sir ekhoi sir gi wakhalon se asumaina chenbiramgani haibse ainasu thajai adum makhata nasu sir Kana lejadraba by lejadraba sing the mating pangbiu. Ekhoi family khakta te wari base lansina haibatare ne awaban nanga kanda ekhoi maitei tampakta chenthor eba ekhoi maitei chelina pudimakta su masigi awabase soidana nangani Manipur da leibiriba ekhoi ngamathau singna masida hena midyang changbidana laiba ekhoi ipaicha singse masigi khudong chana nambagi damakta angam bathakta ekhoi honabiu.
MLA Khumukcham Joy Kishan, along with members of Tagdo and Thangwaiban BJP, visited Khoisnam Binasaki, who is currently admitted to the Jenims Medicine Ward today. Jenims Medical Superintendent Dr. K.H. Lokeshwar was present on the occasion. Speaking on the sidelines of the visit, MLA Khumukcham Joy Kishan expressed the commitment to adopt Khoisnam Binasaki and her family, extending support to them until the prevailing situation in the state improves. He encouraged the people of the state to show generosity by adopting at least one displaced family each, emphasizing the importance of collective efforts during these challenging times. MLA Joy Kishan further announced the establishment of a new relief camp within the Thangwaiban constituency. Additionally, a free coaching camp will be initiated for displaced students ranging from class 5 to 10. Displaced students currently taking refuge at various relief camps will have the opportunity to benefit from this coaching camp, which will offer free books, food and lodging. The MLA is traveling to Delhi to meet with the Prime Minister and the party national president, urging them to take effective measures to address and end the ongoing violence in the state.
Moida Huzik Peniki or is Hostanda Mutunda, disaster Okanda, Nomada, 2000 Mokihama, Adam Carpenter Kalehe, Messish, or Mamre, Masset, Kumna Kanarakanda, Aine, the Kiki Tagdog members, with Thangwaiban BJP, ample of Kanarakanda, Imun say Equina, normal Silak, adapters again, a quick loutway. Not only patients in Natana Mogi from Momako Silaga, normal Silak, Matamgra, I wouldn't say Maniquedum, Massima Taurani. Don't unrelief Kima, quick Tagdona, timing in BJP, and something Plapanga, relief came. Masidesho long story Hana is the Lebom Zabum award per labor hole. Any relief came the labor charter sing class 5 the 10 Bosi residential Lama quite Tamnimas any Manipuri relief came the labor Angangsina Masi labor and over relief came at the Cosinge joined the Vivian Madu Labagi quite like Tambo Loinma Potoxagani.
Langthabal MLA Karam Sham expressed his strong displeasure and condemnation towards the security forces for their alleged mistreatment of women during recent incidents. He conveyed his sentiments while providing financial assistance to a relief camp opened at Kumanlampag Youth Hostel today. MLA Karam Sham condemned the reported use of aggressive tactics such as electric shock, pepper spray and physical assaults against women. He criticized the security forces for alleged bias and their perceived lack of contribution to ending the ongoing violence. Karam Sham emphasized that such actions, particularly those targeting women, could aggravate tensions and anger within the population. He called for unity among the people of Manipur to collectively confront the challenges facing the state. BJP Manipur Pradesh President Adhikari Mayum Sarda was also present on the occasion.
Manipur Sathariba Kanglup Kilansi, Numit Samani, Adi Shure. Sida Yamna Pending I Wade, Akoi Kanaumba, Security Personnel Karana, Lansi Kambagi Mota, Kanglup Amagi site, Labor Manba, Mong the Satharaga, the Yamna Tahoning the Batabakayama Tawa. Koi Mai Bill Singh, a town alina, Maringil Lina, Manipuria, Apun Saktam, Kai Viaruena, Punazariba, Chenjariba, Tongjariba, Laujariba Mayamsi, she cooked the Kongpang and Nelaga, Koilas, Taurga, Maya, Tudiekpa, Sheikh Nasuba, Morok, spray, the pepper spray, Saichandra Mamitupanba, Karen Kazanba, Kubiba, Saibiba, Tawam say, Masi, any security personnel, Oidasu. Manipuri Puari Kangnava Male, Akoyi Maisa, Mayamama, Tauna Parabako in Harold Singi Mamanga, Puba Sabat over say, Count away, Masing tea, Masina Hang, Tunglam Sata, Amasativa, Toning the Togo, Tolakan Evese, Nasi, Lan Kamalaiba Music, and Kangbatar.
A group based in Delhi called Liklam Ngakpa today provided monetary aid to help Hijam Shankar, who is currently bedridden after he sustained injuries from bullet and bomb fragments during the Khamenlong incident. The group also assured every possible help in treating Hijam Shankar at AIIMS in New Delhi. All India Trade Union Congress Manipur joined nationwide protests against anti-people and anti-labor policy of Indian government against the disintegration of Manipur at Manipur Press Club today. Speaking on the occasion, AITUC General Secretary L. Sartin Kumar said the protests against anti-people and anti-labor policies of the ruling government, which started on August 9 last year, completed 1 year today.
पंचायत है शक्ति पीनबगी अपिक कर्मचारी सिंगी मोई कुसुमन थामद लुपा लिसिंग कुनमाथोय फंगनबगी सुंग डिमांड सिंग से मसिगी इरोइनना लानफम मसिदा अखोय थेंगना थेंगना अखोय नहारोल सिंग स्कूल तमिबा नहारोल कया म थाहुम सुबना निथेनो लाइक तम फंगदबसे खुतक फंगनबगी स्कूल कॉलेज दि करिंग सिभाई तमजलिबा मदु मायोक्ता मखन क्या यहु सिंग से मरमदी अखोय चादबे यादि सेतबे यादि लान मनुंगदा सुंबा बस्तास दखोय मियामगी मिचम मियामगी हेन नंगिबा खुदोंग थे मियाम सिंग से मसि चाप चाना अखोय फाइट तौलबा मखा ताबा कया मंगा सेगी सुंबा प्रोटेस्ट मीटिंग से अखोय खनगनी.
Socialist Students Union of Manipur observed International Day of the World's Indigenous Peoples on the theme Indigenous Youth as Agents of Change for Self-Determination at Manipur Press Club today. International Meitei Forum Secretary T.H. Rolibin, SSUM President S. Yaima, journalist Paudil Chauba and civil activist and Thanil graced the event. Speakers at the event highlighted the indigenous inhabitants of Manipur and the present turmoil facing the state. Purples TV, a multilingual OTT platform for watching digital entertainment contents of Northeast states, including Manipur, was launched in Sikkim today. The platform was launched on the occasion of International Day of World Indigenous People with an aim to showcase indigenous communities and multicultural of Northeast India across the globe. Portion of revenue earned from the app will be donated to help violence-affected people of Manipur. It will also produce documentary films on the Manipur crisis. Purple TV may be downloaded from Google Play Store. For iOS users, the app will be released in October this year. District level Peace Committee Zirbam warns a 36-hour band on National Highway 37 Imphal Ziri Road from 6 a.m. of August 11 if the transfer order of Zirbam SP is not stayed. Addressing the media at PWD Guest House in Zirbam's Babupara today, committee member Luke Pamay said that the SP has been instrumental in maintaining peace in the district amid the violence. He said Zirbam locals are unhappy with the transfer order and appeals to revoke the transfer order. The Kickboxing Association of Manipur today organized a memorial event to pay tribute to late retired Lieutenant Colonel R.K. Rajendra, a former advisor of the association. The event took place at the Manipur Press Club and was attended by various dignitaries and members of the association. Among the attendees were Kickboxing Association of Manipur President M.K. Presho Shimre, Working President L. Umakanta, General Secretary S. Umakanta, eminent members of the association, Federation of Haumi General Secretary Yazing Visisi, and family members of the late R.K. Rajendra. During the memorial event, attendees offered floral tributes to a photo of the retired colonel and observed a 2-minute silence as a mark of respect for his contributions. M.K. Prisho Shimre, the president of the Kickboxing Association of Manipur, praised late R.K. Rajendra for his significant contributions to the field of sports and for promoting harmonious coexistence within the state.
Lieutenant Colonel, retired ex-member Manipur Human Rights Commission, and advisor to come.
Environmental activist Manikanta Mutum took the initiative to lead teachers and students of Langtal Eurokids Preschool in a tree planting activity within the school campus to commemorate Van Mahotsav, an annual tree planting festival of India. During the event, various saplings were planted with the aim to contribute to environmental conservation. Manikanta emphasized the significant consequences of deforestation on the environment. He urged all to unite and actively participate in preservation and protection of environment. Teachers of Trinity Public School, Mongshangai, felicitated their students who passed High School Leaving Certificate Examination 2023 conducted by the Board of Secondary Education Manipur with flying colors. The meritorious students were felicitated during the annual school day function held at the school premises. Thaunajam Rajesh Kumar, who secured the 14th position, and Tayenjam Stella, who secured the 18th position, were awarded cash prizes of 1 lakh rupees each. Manipur Wushu players won 4 medals in the 22nd Junior Boys and Girls National Wushu Championship, which is being held at Pataliputra Sports Complex in Patna. Among the boys, Wangthoi Thangjam and Thaungamba Ahibam won a gold medal and a silver medal respectively in the Taulu event. Wangthoi Thangjam also bagged another gold in boys Dausu event number 1, while Thaungamba Ahibam bagged a bronze in the same event. Now, before we end, let's take a look at the headlines once again. Congress MP Rahul Gandhi launches all-out attack on BJP as they open debate on the no-confidence motion. Rahul Gandhi says Narendra Modi government has murdered India in Manipur. Congress leader Akram Gobi emphasizes significance of engaging in dialogue as primary means to bring peace and preserve the territorial integrity of Manipur. Naga people take out rally for resolving Indo-Naga political issue based on framework agreement under the banner of United Naga Council in Naga inhabited areas of Manipur. And Professor of Marine Psychiatry Department Dr. R.K. Lenin expresses concern about potential impact of ongoing violent crisis in Manipur on displaced children. That's all we have in this bulletin. Thank you for being with us. Coming up next is Primetime Manipuri Bulletin. Have a great evening and stay safe.
Admission open. Not AOC